Bumelia lanuginosa is the chitim wood. This is a native tree. It's not very commonly available commercially, but it is available in native plant nurseries. It grows in Oklahoma, Kansas, sort of the plain states on sort of rocky bluffs. It's very, very tolerant of poor soils and compacted soils and alkaline soils and dry areas. It is a single stem tree, typically going 20 to 40 feet tall. There is a mature specimen that we'll see at Will Rogers Park that's every bit of 40 feet tall. Forms basically a sort of a rounded crown, not quite as wide as it is tall. The leaves on this are an obovate leaf, which means that they're broader down here towards the end. And this plant has shoot and spur growth. So you see the leaves coming off of spurs very often, but it is an alternate leaf arrangement. The petioles and also the stems have kind of a fine, kind of woolly, downy hair on them, and that's what lanuginosa actually means, a woolly, fine hair. Here's a close-up image of the new stems. The sort of downy hair is really prevalent on the new stems, not so much the older stems. So the first season, you would see this on the ends of the stem. There are spines at the nodes. They're not at every single node, but they are fairly numerous throughout the plant. Very stiff, pointed spines. The bark matures to this kind of gray, furrowed bark. We don't have any images right now on here of the flowers, but they're very small, about less than 1/4 of an inch wide, little kind of greenish white flowers in clusters in the summer, June or July. Not showy, but they're noticeable if you're close to the plant. And then the fruit are just small little black berries that mature in the fall, September and October, and they are attractive to birds.